Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create and use Google Forms, a free tool from Google that lets you make online surveys, quizzes, and forms easily. So Google Forms helps you collect information, feedbacks, registrations, or quiz answers, and automatically saves responses to Google Sheets. So when you want to open, you open your Google Chrome, you come here, you want a Google Form. Google Forms. You open our Google Forms. You see options. If you opened, you see these are options. If you opened, let's open a blank form. Let's open a blank one. So this is it. So we click, let's say, from description, let's say nothing. Let's say nothing. Just now let's say computer. Computer form. I can bold. I can bold it. I can bold it. So untitled question. Untitled question. Let's say question area. You can choose types like multiple choice, short answer, or let's let's short answer. I want a short answer. You can choose types like multiple, short answers, check boxes. So you can add more questions. Also, here it's for adding more questions. You click to add more question. Name. Say name. Questions types, and you can update based on your question. So this one you can import questions. You can import it also, and you can add title, description. This one you can add an image. This one you can add a video, and you can also, this is it. So if you want to customize the form, you click on the, if you want to share, you can share now. If you want to remove it. If you want to pre-fill the form, you can just tap on that. You want to undo, you want to preview it, you click on it. This one. You want to customize, you click on this thing. Text style, header, table bar, header choose. So this is what you do. And if you're done, with everything, you can click share. You can share to people. You can share, then copy the link or email it to others. If you're done, you click on done. Then when people fill out the form, you see them, their answers under the responses tab. Response. Here you will see them here on the responses tab. In the tab here you see responses of people here. So if this is what I have for you people. If you find this helpful, you can like, subscribe, and share.